loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. If this is your first time catching a video from me, make sure it's not your last. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family. So girl, today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing, well, I'm known for crochet, right? But we haven't done crochet in a very long time. So we got some hair right here. Woo! So this is from Toyotress. I've worked with this brand on many occasions, so the hair, I'm always a fan of it. But we are going to be trying out a new curl pattern today. I've never tried this from them, so it's their Jamaican bounce crochet hair, and we're going to add in a little color. My braid technique, everything is still the same. I just really want to show you guys this hair and maybe show you some different styles that you can achieve with this crochet look. You know it's getting ready to start warming up. You want those protective styles, and I'm here for you, okay? I got you, boo. So let's go ahead and start. Here is 1B and P30 mix. So if you don't want a lot of color, this will be perfect for you. If you just want like a little peekaboo action going on, this will be the perfect bundle for you. Comes to about right here. Definitely didn't know it was going to be this long, but we're going to work with it. Here's my braid pattern. I have 10 braids going across the front, and then in the back I have 5 braids, and I just connected them all together. It does come with a crochet needle, so everything you need comes in this pack. I want to start right here in the front just so you can really see what I'm doing. First you want to take one strand right here. I like to put my finger right here in the middle so I can keep it even. I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to go underneath the braid. Underneath the braid. And then I'm going to take where my finger is. I'm going to hook it on. Close the hook. Pull it through. And then you want a piece in each hand. So this piece right here with the loop, you're going to take this hair, put it through, pull it through. I like to twist this right here. See, I twist it. And I'm going to put it through again. And it's that easy. That easy. So I'm going to show you a little bit more.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
I do have 2 pieces of color in this bundle, so I'm going to go ahead and take a piece of color and add it in. I'm just going to randomly do the color. I'm going to try to make it as even as possible on each side. So my hair is crocheted in, and I literally use all of those packs. I have this much hair left, and I may end up adding those, but I did not go into this one. This one is fully just 1B, but I didn't need this one. I'll just save that for another time. But I am going to cut the hair in some layers because, as you can see, it just looks blah. It's just there. And then when you are installing hair like this, the length can kind of get, you know, a little jacked up because some pieces may go in uneven. So as you can see, it's uneven, but that's fine. So what I'm going to do is take my hands down the middle, and I am going to take one side first, and I'm just going to cut some off. This part of the process depends on the style that you're going for. You can see the difference right here from me cutting some layers in versus not cutting any layers. I wanted more of a layered look, and I wanted more volume. That's why I went in and I cut a lot of hair off and just cut a lot of layers in it. And for the upkeeping of this style, it's really easy to upkeep. I will say that after wearing it for a week, I've had some matting, but that's an easy fix. You could just go in and cut those mats, like those matted pieces, out. So I don't want you to get like intimidated when the hair starts matting together. I just take a little oil on my hands, run it through the hair, and cut those mats out. And this style should last you at least 3 weeks, longer, depending on how you upkeep the hairstyle. But it will last you at least 3 weeks. So now I'm just going in, I'm continuing to cut and just get the hairstyle to my liking. But this is basically the finished look. It's so beautiful. And to add a little volume on top, I'm just going to take my hands and like push down on the hair to just get it to stand up a little bit. But this is basically it. I will have everything linked down below. If you guys are interested in this hair from Toyotress, click the links down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm getting ready to show you another little style that you can wear with this hair. I don't appreciate the change.